Ian William Majak Wega Chalor Wega Chamot. Today's lesson is directions in Dinka language. Let us begin. Sham, left, switch, right, twing, in front, chin, behind, shell, middle, nyal, above or up, pin, down, turn left, Lord Sham, turn right, Lord switch, go straight, Lord twing, go back, Dukshin, cross the road, Tim Delco. Cross the road mean Tim Delco. Tim Delco. Del Queer mean road. Go up, Lor Nyal, go down, Lor Pin, Pinnum, earth or wall. Mar, lost, I got lost. And Chamar, I got lost. In the middle, go in the middle mean Lord Shell, Shellich, in the middle. Akeu mean border. Akewich, in the border. Kam, between. Kamkin, between them. Outside. Air, outside. Inside. Along thin. Beside. There, near. Tatyok. Far. Tamich. Yenekan, The End by William Pajak did. Dupioj Itong Jang. Please follow and like my channel. South Sudan. Lor nyalik kawek kuyanya. Ian William Pajak Malikding. Bye bye.